Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can watch TikTok without having an account. So actually you'll need to go to the website version. So go to tiktok.com. This is actually just without an account. It's better if you have an account though, because they track the things you like and they'll put it on your For You page. If it's like this, it's just gonna show like videos that I don't really relate to, like running. I don't like running. Um, but here you can even like type in like accounts. Let's type in like dress to impress, and you'll be able like to open up this account without having an account. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!